Hello everyone and welcome back to Neil Explains. Today I come with this question, very viral question. Many solve but fail. But if you have already solved this question, go and write your right answer in the comment. I will give you a heart. So question is 16 divided by 16 into 16 divided by 2 whole divided by 2. Okay. So we will solve this with m dash. As we can see here, there are two operation, division and multiplication, both have the same priority, and in that case we have to solve the equation from left to right. Okay, so first we will solve for this one, 16 times 16 dividing, then which will be 1 into 16. Now the trick is done. Okay, now anyone can solve this. 1 into 16, that 16 divided by 2, and 2 times 2 into 8, that is 8. So here answer will be 8. So for more questions like this, go and subscribe our channel, and best math books are there in the description. Go and check out. Thanks for watching.